Uplifting energies will always be coming from the nature around you in your home on earth. It's not always easy or convenient to go outside. The weather isn't always comfortable or cooperative, and we understand this. But that doesn't dampen the importance of regular time outside, even for a few moments. Your mood will be lifted. The energy in you and around you will visually shift. The way we view the energies that you are is interesting and full of colors, sound, and feeling. It is clear to us when someone has spent some time in nature. It's also clear when someone needs this upliftment. Your planet is helping you and healing you in more ways than you know, if you just let her and accept it. Open yourself to these energies. Imagine you are one of her flowers blossoming open to receive the sunlight. The fairies are also sharing their energies with you as you step outside. It may not seem fun to quiet your mind, or it may seem too hard, but this is a great avenue to freshen your mental body, to commune with higher frequency forces that may help you in your life if that's what you want. Just ask and feel. Don't forget to feel for these energies. The more you work to extend your energy outward to feel what's around you, the better you'll get at it, the easier it will be. During winter time, you may feel like your energy is more stagnant, and this may be why, if you take no time to step outside, usually the walk to and from the car or to the store or the house isn't enough, simply because you're not noticing. You're not actively letting go and allowing nature to fill your body with her energies. Try this more often and see how you feel.